Hey guys, it's Carl Gwinn with Gwinn RV Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the 2023 38MX Pasadena. You're going to love this. Hey, we've got the brand new 2023 Pasadena 38MX. Take a look at the exterior of this. We're just going to give you a quick walk around. We're not giving you details and specs. If you need details and specifications, please feel free to call me. I've got everything you need. 38MX right here. And you've got outdoor TV with a sound bar. So this sound bar here, you can sync your Bluetooth, you can play your Pandora outside. Storage compartments, rotocast, very nice. And if you notice, all the way through, so if you want to bring some tables and chairs, that unit you can put all the way through inside here. Anyway guys, here's the outside. This again is the Pasadena. It's brand new for us this year. We've got 3 left at this location. I've got quite a few more coming from the factory. This is a front engine diesel. And it's on the Freightliner chassis. So we know here we're probably going to have a massive towing capacity. Let's take a look. Yeah, what do we got there? Looks like 15,000 pounds with 1,500 pound tongue weight. So again, we have a Freightliner chassis. This coach will pull most anything you can hook up to it. It is currently indoors at 72 degrees at our brand new indoor facility, which is 150,000 square feet. And we are 4 acres indoors. Let's pop inside and take a look here. All right, let's walk up inside here and see what we have. Okay. Kind of a blue LED lighting system up here towards the front bunk. Love the side windows with a little rainfall window that opens. You can see the handle right there. That'll open up. This cover right here, this cover slides up, and when during the daytime that'll slide up, and there's a automotive glass right there. Very, very nice. This one is equipped with a dinette. One thing I want to point out before I go much further, if you can look at this dinette, look at the size of my hand compared to, so when you're sitting across from somebody, it's not a little tiny RV table that's this big, and you have to have your plates at a diagonal. Somebody can have their plates there with their drinks, and another plate here. Theater seats directly across from the television and fireplace that does provide heat. Great looking colors in here. Just some storage. You can have gloves. You can use that for whatever you like. Now, I do notice we have true induction cooktop as well as 2 gas burners on a cast iron top. This is not flimsy. You set a pot of water down on here, it's going to feel like your house. It's not wobbly whatsoever. And everything's going to be controlled from our control panel here. Let me go to our home page. Here's all of our controls. Here's all of our tank sizes. Here's how I turn my water pump on and off. And you can start and stop the generator. You also have auto gen start, AGS, auto gen start. So we can set that to come on if the interior of the coach gets too warm and we've left our dog or cat in here. That is going to start. The air conditioning will turn on and it'll keep it at a temperature. Here's our Go Power Solar. So we can click into that, and then we've got all the information we need on our solar system. If it's functioning, what kind of charge it's providing. And like I said, I'm not going to get into a lot of details here. You can see the interior of the coach, front and rear. 2-zone climate control in this. So you can sleep much cooler than what you're watching TV at if you like to sleep. Now, on the control panel, when you see the up and down arrows there, hopefully you can see that. So like in our living room, up and down, I can turn it on and off, and you probably see the lights on the wall going on and off. If I hold that down, now I've got very, very dim light in here, and now it's coming back up, and now it's full bright again. Anyway, guys, this panel, we can do an awful lot. Remember I told you it has 2 zones, so we got 2 air conditioners. We can set the front at a different temperature than the back. Now notice the front does have a heat pump on board, so you can select the heat pump and down to about 30, maybe 32 degrees, you will generate heat from your air conditioner. Here's how we operate our slide outs. Then we can get into diagnostics, and lo and behold, our mobile app. If we want to put this on our cell phone, there are the instructions to have this system put onto your cell phone so you can enjoy the lights, you can enjoy the awning, and function everything from your phone. Residential refrigerator. Let's see if this one has an ice maker. And it does. Yes, it does have an ice maker right there. TV with a soundbar that is Bluetooth capable, so it can sync to my telephone. I can have my Dora playing, my Spotify. I've got my fireplace down here. I can set that by temperature. I can also set this to start and stop at a certain time, so I can tell it to run for 90 minutes and then turn off. Now let's take a look here. Let's see if we've got a pantry here, all the way from the top to the bottom. Pantry. And usually a washer and dryer in here, but this one did not come with a washer and dryer. So right behind here are going to be our panels for our plumbing. So if we want to add a stackable washer and dryer, we've got power in here, and we've got the ability to do so, and we have vented wood so that there's not moisture building up in a small compartment holding our washer and dryer. Let's turn around here and see what's in the bathroom. Remember, this is a bath and a half model. So this is the half bath with the toilet down here. Storage up and behind. Actually, great storage in here. Very solid cabinets. And you can close your window if you're in the restroom here. And then let's take a peek here at the master bedroom. This TV should be on a hydraulic system there. You can see the two pedestals, so that does open. This gives you some hidden storage back in here that a lot of people don't know about. I do have a couple of customers that have put a lock system right down here, so they can keep some goodies up in there. But take a look at the drawers and cupboards down here in this master bedroom. And I'll open some of these up right quick. Here's our ladder to get up on our bed up in the very front. So if we had somebody sleeping up there, we would come and grab this ladder and we would set it up for them. But big storage in throughout here. Master bedroom, king size bed. Of course, you don't have to keep that bedspread if you don't like. I think it's just a great new coach, and we've sold, like I said, quite a few of these. USB charging throughout. I should have been pointing this out, but if you look at the little green lights, that's going to be USB charging. Back here in the bathroom, full walk-in shower with a little skylight up above. That's just going to let in some natural light. This one does not have a place to sit down. It's a stand-up only, but look at the floor space. It is very large in here. I'm going to jump up in the shower and spin this around so you can see the bathroom. And I also see something here I want to point out. Hot water controls are controlled right here. And right now you can see that that is set. And you can adjust your temperature up and down. Storage up and behind the mirror. Anyway, just a great front engine diesel. This is called a Super C. Notice I wanted to point out some more of these USB charging. They're all over the place. But both sides of the bed. Just a great floor plan. Very spacious. And these theater seats, oh my gosh. Sitting there in those theater seats and watching TV, this is wonderful. You can recline them back a little bit. You remember, you've got the big table right here, and then of course the big sleeping space up there that's kind of highlighted in the blue LED system. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Again, if you need specific information on any of our Pasadenas that I have, these are built on the Freightliner chassis. We've got full connectivity up here. Let me see if I can turn this around. Sorry guys, it's just Carl himself utilizing this system, so it's just me and one hand trying to use this. But there is our Freightliner dash. Notice we've got, I know what to look for. This is our leveling system. So hydraulic leveling, all you have to do is push a button and this coach will level itself, and when you go cooking eggs, they won't run to one side of the pan. Anyway guys, thanks again. It's Carl Gwinn, Win with Gwinn RV Reviews. Should you find something on our website that I have not done a review on and you want a review, please feel free to email me. I would be happy to fire up my camera, get out here and give you a personal walk around or get you on the telephone. Again, I want to point out one other thing before I go. Notice the new awning system here. They put the lights in the arms for the awning, both front and rear. In the past, they used to run the lights right across here, and you just got a real bright area here. Now, when they put it this way, so the lights go from the coach out to the end of the RV, it's going to put a uniform light down on the ground. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. That's the brand new 2023 Pasadena here at La Mesa RV in Mesa, Arizona. Come visit our indoor facility. It's 150,000 square feet, 4 acres. And again, my name is Carl Gwinn. You can reach me by phone or by email. Thank you very much.